Okay, back at Lunatic Garage for the, like what, I think I've too many times to count, but I have still not been able to break the 600 horse mark NA on this engine. Now it is nitrous now and it makes probably close to 800 on a 200 shot, but I still want to make 600 NA. So the only differences now are the new upper lid from Shearer Fabrication. We lengthened this intake pipe, and then I removed power steering. So the best this car has done is 594 so far, and that was on pump E85, so I'm back on pump E85. And I'm gonna do a couple runs with the new lid, see if it makes any difference compared to the old lid that Trevor and I welded up and modified the throat on. And then we'll spray a 200 shot and see how it does. And if everything looks good, we'll go for a 300 and see if we can break 900 wheel. So that's the plan. I'm gonna roll the car, get it centered. I've already got the NA tune flashed back onto it, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. First full NA. It usually spins the tires on the first hit, so I'm gonna do a little small run, and then I'll let the car calm down, and then we'll do a full pull. God damn it. Son of bitch. Okay.
What happened on the first one?
Oh, well, I remember in the past, like, it always kind of hazes the tires a little bit first hit. So I just rolled into it. I'm gonna try, that was like 0.82 lambda, so I'm gonna lean it down to 0.85. So I think that's where it's made the most. And then we'll do just one more, and then go to nitrous. All right, a little leaner, try again. Okay, so right now it's making, what, 583? No, 587? 583s today? Dang it! We keep losing power. That's disappointing. I thought it made 594 at one point.
Yeah, this was last time you were here. Though.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just comparing it to last time.
Gotcha.
If you had any differences since the last time that was here.
Damn. Okay. Well, the good news is, if we're down on power NA, we can just spray more to make up for it. So I'm gonna turn the nitrous on and let's see what a 200 looks like on the dyno. All right, so the 600 horse curse continues. Just not gonna get there at these heads, I think. I do have a set of 11-degree heads that we are gonna swap to, and those might make the extra 15 horsepower-ish I need to get there. The best the motor ever did was 594, but right now we're stuck in the 580s, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we just turned on the nitrous system. It's got 200 pills in it right now, so we're gonna give that a send. See how it looks. This is gonna be really cool. I'm super excited. I remember the first time I hit the nitrous, it was just a 100 shot on the dyno, and it was like, what the hell is happening? So double that and a 200 should be pretty rowdy. Oh yeah, it's like 20%, 0.6.
So you got no nitrous?
No nitrous is flowing.
You sure?
I mean, it sounds like it is for a second.
Yeah, and then it's like it loses the nitrous.
Oh, sick! Button with it to turn it off. See if the solenoid's firing. Was that, can you like feel the nitrous? Is the nitrous solenoid clicking?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have no nitrous spraying for some reason.
And you got a filter on there, so you're good there. You shouldn't have any problems with anything getting clogged.
900 pounds on it. I wonder if the bottle's out.
Yeah.
Because it just dropped from 1,070 to 900.
Yeah.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Sick!
You didn't fill it before you came?
Well, that's the one I was racing on. I have a full bottle in front. Alright.
Swap the bottle. Oh, 95.
Wow. It's always the stupidest thing. Why is there no nitrous? I don't know, is the fucking bottle empty? All right. If there's not nitrous in the motor, it might be out of nitrous. So we're gonna put a fresh bottle on her and let it eat. Okay. Here we go. So with 200 pills, we only picked up 50 horsepower. Let's do some looking. Try to figure this out. So it only picked up 50 picked up like what, 70 horsepower that run. In the tune-up, it's still like 12 to 15% rich, so it's not getting nitrous for some reason. When I was doing street test hits, it was like 5% rich, so I know that it has been good before, but currently right now it's not. So we're gonna do another hit. Josh is gonna watch. We think there's nitrous escaping, like leaking at the fittings. So we're gonna do another hit and see if it's just a bad line or something weird. So here you go. You can see that white nylon gasket. While we were making the pool, Josh could see the nitrous seeping out between that gasket. So motor is not getting any nitrous because it's still leaking. And you can see by the curves, it's only picking up about 50 horsepower. That red line is NA and the blue lines are the nitrous hits. Okay, put an Allen key on the bolts. They were really loose. So got them all cinched down, nice and tight. We're gonna do another hit. Please, come on. Okay.
It's still leaking on the other side though a little bit.
So we're up on power now. Let's go look at the graphs actually. All right, so the green line is the nitrous pool, 711. So it's up 130 horsepower now, but it's got 200 pills in it. The fuel is still 10%, super rich. I mean, good news is it's over 700. That's cool and all, but we're still having, like during the pool, if you look at that white gasket, you can see the mist coming out of it. So not too sure what to do about that one. Well, all in all, I'm pretty happy with that still. It's more power than the car's ever made. Should be making more, but. Okay, quick recap. Just crank down the bolts as tight as I feel comfortable going before I either round off the Allen head or pull threads out of the manifold. And then we went up from a 50 nitrous jet to a 52 jet. So the theory is we're getting way too much fuel. I unfortunately didn't bring all of my jet kit with me, so I can't lean the fuel out with jet, so we're just gonna give it more nitrous and that'll use up the fuel. You know, big thinking moment. So car's ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna do another hit. And yeah, it made 710, or no, it made, how much did it make? 711. So maybe we can pick up another 20, 30 horse. It picked up 50 horsepower just from tightening down the manifold, so it's definitely a problem with the gasket leaking. I'm curious if I can use any sort of sealant on that. I'll have to talk to the Nitrous Express guys on Monday and get their thoughts. But anyways, I'm gonna spray it again, make another hit. Okay, going up a little bit in the nitrous jet and tightening it down, we picked up another basically 15, 13 horsepower. So went to a 58 nitrous jet, a little more nitrous, should take care of the extra fuel we're getting. Tighten down the bolts again. Hopefully we can pick up another 10, 20 horse. That was spiced up.
There you go, boss.
What did that make?
773, I think, officially.
Woo! That's 2-hundo.
775.
770.
Yeah, 770 officially.
Holy Toledo. It's still like 7% rich on fuel. Dude, there it is. 770. That is damn near 200 horse gain. And it's still like 10% rich on fuel. It's like 0.77 lambda. So I'm almost wondering in the tune-up, Josh, if I just pull a little bit out of the fuel with the tune.
I mean, you could.
It's 0.77. That's.
I mean, we run mine like 7880. So,
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you're not, I mean, You're.
Nothing's really out on the table.
I mean, I'd lean out just a hair maybe, but fuck no. I mean, I think that's plenty safe. The only thing about how much time you got?
18. So I'm 10 degrees. No, 8 degrees out.
8 degrees out. I mean,
Yeah.
you can try adding 1 degree to it and see if it picks up.
Yeah.
Or you can try pulling a degree and see if it picks up, just to see where you're at.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to keep making hits on this bottle because it probably only has. I mean, that's what our 4th, 5th hit.
Yeah.
I want to save a little bit so I can run somebody tonight. Picked up like 100 horsepower just from tightening down bolts. Pretty sick. All right, that's a wrap on today's dyno. 770 horse, 674 torque at the wheels. We're gonna switch the car. Right now it just has a -4 nitrous feed line, so I'm gonna convert it to -6. And then talk to the Nitrous Express guys, see if there's some sort of sealant I can maybe put on that gasket, or if that's just how it is. I gotta just tighten it every once in a while, which is no problem. But all in all, pretty successful day. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.